When it came to eating and dieting, I couldn't do it. I would lose weight, then I'd gain it, and I literally went on every single diet known to man. So what I did was I interviewed over 1,000 women, and I interviewed people who have been thin their whole life. They're not in bondage to food. And I said, what did you do? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What did you do? What did you eat? How'd you do it? I then created 10 biblical principles from all those verses that I read. Wow. Then I also created 10 Chantel Rayway principles that I really got from all these thin eaters.
Your body is healthier.
Oh yeah, I've healed my body. I've healed my thyroid 100%. I'm not on any medication anymore from that through fasting. And the Bible talks about in Matthew chapter 6, it says, when you give, when you pray, when you fast.
See, my name's Heather, and I have lost 22 pounds on the Waste Away diet. And one of the things that I love is that I can eat whatever I want. I don't have to deprive myself. And I don't really exercise at all. So like, I'm here enjoying all of this yummy Chinese food, and I'm just gonna eat till I'm satisfied and then be done.
Do you want to learn how to think like a thin eater? How you can heal your body, identify your eating window, and to never deny yourself again? Order your copy of Waste Away, the Chantel Rayway today.